Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PSpice Tips. Today I'm going to explain how it is possible to define multi-schematics, so different schematics where I am able to define different kind of circuits with different configurations, and of course how to define different simulation profiles for different schematics and how you can activate each simulation profile. For that we have here our first schematic. I click in page 1 and I define a new simulation, let's say simulation 1. Doesn't matter the parameters right now, which kind of simulation. Once I have defined the first one, we can see here schematic 1, page 1, and we can see for schematic 1 the simulation 1 defined. I am able to define new pages in this schematic, so much as possible. What is important to know is that this simulation profile belongs to the whole schematic. It means that these three pages are going to be simulated at the same time. So if you have here one simulation, here one circuit, here another circuit, and here another circuit, these three circuits are going to be simulated at the same time, because you just have one simulation per schematic design. It means if you want to define any other kind of simulation, or you want to change any kind of design, what you have to do is you have to define a new schematic, let's say schematic 2. Now you define here a new page, and now if you want to create a new simulation profile, you have to make this schematic 2 root. Why? Because right now we have schematic 1 as root. You can see this package list here, and also we can see that the simulation 1 belongs to schematic 1 and it is red. It means it is active. So what we have to do is we select schematic 2 with right mouse and we click on make root, we save, and automatically the simulation is green. It means it is inactive, and we have activated schematic 2. So I open page 1. Now I am able to define a new simulation, let's say simulation 2. I just say OK. I come back to my design. We can see right now I have a schematic 2, simulation 2 active. It is red. Now I can, for example, just define a new simulation profile here. Let's say sim 3. This simulation is belongs to the schematic 2 because the schematic 2 is root. We can see here, okay, now red is this one, but I have two simulations profiles for a schematic 2 and one simulation profile for a schematic 1. I can select again a schematic 1 simulation from here, just with the right mouse button and make it active. Or just imagine I am here, for example, but I don't want to simulate the schematic 1, I want to simulate the simulation 3 from a schematic 2. Automatically schematic 2 is made root. Schematic 2 simulation 3 is red, it means active. And I am able to simulate this page. So, lot of luck, enjoy with the simulation, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.